Electricity travels hundreds of kilometers to reach your home. But without transformers, it would be almost impossible. Imagine trying to send electricity over long distances without losing most of it along the way. It wouldn't work efficiently. So, how do transformers actually make this possible? And what exactly do they do in the power system? In this video, I'm going to break it down in the simplest way possible. Welcome to PowerTech Simplified, where we explain electricity, electronics, and technology in the simplest way possible. If you want to understand how power systems work in real life, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. A transformer is an electrical device used to increase or decrease voltage in a power system. It doesn't generate electricity, and it doesn't consume it either. Its main job is simply to change the voltage level, depending on where the electricity is going. When electricity is generated at a power plant, it cannot be sent directly to homes at that same voltage level. If we try to transmit electricity over long distances at low voltage, a lot of energy will be lost as heat. To reduce this loss, we increase the voltage before transmission. This is where transformers play a very important role. A step-up transformer increases voltage to a much higher level. This usually happens at the power station, before electricity is sent through transmission lines. By increasing the voltage, we reduce the amount of current flowing, which helps minimize energy loss over long distances. This is why you see high-voltage transmission lines carrying electricity across cities and countries. After electricity travels long distances, the voltage needs to be reduced again before it can be used safely. This is done using a step-down transformer. Step-down transformers are found in substations and on electric poles near homes. They reduce the high voltage to a level that is safe for household appliances like your TV, fridge, and light bulbs. So, let's quickly recap. Step-up transformers increase voltage for efficient transmission. Step-down transformers reduce voltage for safe use in homes. Without transformers, modern power systems would not function properly.